Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers, where we're here to give you a word on barbecue, bourbon, and blues. And today we are getting into a down south staple. I couldn't get that out real good. Down south staple, barbecue spaghetti. Get ready to tune in.
Brother, barbecue. Word brother.
All right, welcome back to BBQ Bourbon and Blues. We're right here at the table. Now, I have good food on and good company. I got my homeboy Pit Master Peanut is in the building. Now, y'all haven't seen the Pit Master Peanuts yet, but last weekend, Pit Master Peanut brought me some wonderful rub over here. You're going to see him and I get down to it with that rub shortly. But for right now, we're going to start building this sauce, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is take my extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just going to get a nice little healthy amount in here, probably about, I don't know, a couple tablespoons, you know, and then I'm going to hit it with the fresh onion that I diced up myself. Just going to get that in there. Then Pit Master Peanut is going to hit it with the jalapeno peppers and the garlic that's mixed up. And then I'm just going to give it a little shake, about half of that parsley right there. And I'm going to keep this half, and I'm going to get it down to the grill. We're going to saute it. And the other things that are going to go in after we saute these down that I'm not going to bore you with is going to be tomato paste, tomato sauce, petite diced tomatoes, some chipotle peppers, some mushrooms, and barbecue sauce. And we're going to build the sauce, and we'll bring you back to see it, all right? Now, and my barbecue rub. I almost forgot that. Thank you, producer, for, you think you whispering, but you really not. But we're going to get this down there, and we're going to saute it up, and we're going to see you back in a few minutes, all right? Let you see how this sauce is working. Catch you in a second. All right, we're back down here at the grill. Like I said, I got my homeboy Pit Master Peanut right here. And I got my pot right here. We starting to build this sauce on this Oklahoma Joe Bronco, as you can see, with the Kingsford original. All right. So what I'm doing now is I'm just sauteing these vegetables up. That parsley you saw, the jalapeno peppers, we seeded the jalapeno peppers, so we took them out. The fresh onion, and then we gonna saute these down, let them sweat out a little bit, start getting soft, transparent, and then we gonna build the rest of the sauce. All right.
I just got to make sure he's doing it right.
This guy.
I'm glad you here to help.
See, well, I ain't gonna say that, but I'm glad I got some good help right here. He's sitting here. Hey, we getting ready to fellowship a little bit. We're gonna sip on some beer. You know, we're gonna sip on some bourbon. We're gonna listen to some blues, because that's what we do. And we're gonna saute these and build this sauce while that pork butt is finishing up. All right, we want to get that pork butt probably up to about 202 degrees, somewhere between 202 and 205. And then we're going to show you what to do with that too, all right? But right now, I'm just going to saute these vegetables up, and we'll get back to you in a minute. Catch you in a second. All right, so we're back down here at the Oklahoma Joe Bronco, doing our thing, sauteing up these vegetables. We got the olive oil in here with the fresh onion that we diced up ourselves, the jalapenos and the garlic, five bulbs of garlic that we diced up ourselves, all right? And now I'm about to get these other things in, all right? So I'm gonna hit it with this tomato paste and get all that in there, Peanut.
Man, that's sauce.
Huh?
That's sauce.
Yes. Yeah, tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Oh, my bad, I said tomato paste. My bad, producer. Tomato sauce. Now I'm gonna hit it with the petite diced tomatoes, all right? And I'm just gonna pour them in the whole can, all right? Now, we couldn't find a whole bunch of fresh ingredients today. I don't know why. I don't know what was going on, but I like doing it, like y'all know, we like doing it fresh, okay? So now I'm gonna hit it with these Chipotle Peppers. Now, one thing I could tell you is, we got family in Memphis, and we got family here. We got family out. It's words everywhere. It don't matter what state you're in. It's probably some words, and they probably related to us. So we all got our recipes, but we gonna put our spin on it. So I hit it with these Chipotle. Next thing I'm gonna hit it with is some mushrooms. Yeah, that's right. You heard it. Got the mushrooms going in. Next thing I'm gonna hit it with is tomato paste. Now we're gonna use about 3 tablespoons or about 6. Actually, I'm gonna use this whole can because we're doing a big batch. Now, if you're doing a small batch, you're gonna use 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. But since I'm doing the big batch, I'm just gonna go on and use pretty much this whole can. And knock it out, all right? There we go. 3 nice heaping tablespoons of tomato paste, okay? Last but not least is the peanut special. Oh, look at that. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna get some of this barbecue rub in here that Peanut brought over to me himself. All right, so I'm gonna take a couple of pinches out of here. Bam, just like Emerald say. Bam, pow. All right, one more good one. Another good pinch. Pow.
Because this is barbecue spaghetti.
This is barbecue spaghetti, and you want to season up right. This is a big batch, all right? So we're going to close this down, let it simmer off for a little bit, and we'll catch it back once it's simmered off, and we pull that big pork butt off the Masterbuilt 1050. We're going to show you what it do, all right? We'll be back to you in a minute. BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers.
Peace.
And Pitmaster Peanut. All right, so I'm just tearing it up, but I'm not gonna bore you with this pull part. Like I said, I'm gonna come back to you in a few minutes, and we'll have everything ready for that barbecue spaghetti with Khalid Word, the best half of the Word Brothers,
And Pitmaster.
and Pitmaster Peanut. All right, so we'll catch you in a minute. All right,
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. All right, so we're back right here, BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Like I said, putting our own spin on the barbecue spaghetti. All right, so I got my sauce. It's simmered down for a while. Now we about to mix it up. All right, hit me one time, Peanut. Yes, sir. You get them noodles in there. Yes, sir. Thank you. One more time. There we go. So we got our noodles. Now I'm gonna hit it with this pork that I done pulled. Like I said, you spread it all over. There we go. And there's sauce time. There we go with the sauce. All right, so we hit it with the sauce. As you can see, it's looking good. We're gonna mix it up a little bit. He got his spoon. Go ahead, Pitmaster Peanut. He mixed it up, and then we're gonna go back in and do another layer, so on, and then you're gonna see how it is at the end. Cool, Pitmaster. Hit me with some more noodles. Word Brothers barbecue style. Barbecue spaghetti. Got you right. Cool. Here we go. A little more sauce. Got the sauce in there. Keep mixing it up. Put a little bit more pork right here. Appreciate it, bro. There he is. Look out. One more time for the people in the back. Hit them with some more noodles. Pitmaster peanut. All the rest of the noodles. Just pick up the whole thing and dump it on there. Yes, sir. That's all the noodles, right? Now you gonna see me. This sauce been simmering for a while. You seen what was in the sauce. The recipe is going to be, like I said, it's gonna be in the description, just like all the rest of the videos. There we go. Mix them up. Mix it up for my peanut. Ooh, looking good. Skip, bring me that barbecue sauce over here. The rest of my barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna show you how we do this thing.
Want my spot peanut? You ain't gonna get it. Cause you ain't got it.
He wanna act like it's fine. But guess what? I'm just a guest appearance. Guess what? Brother Skip been slipping. So we got all that mixed up. As you can see, that's looking real good. Guess what I'm gonna do on top of it? I'm gonna take the rest of my pork butt that we smoked today, brand new, and guess what's gonna happen? I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top, just like this here. Look at that. Look at it. Yeah, I know you see it. Look. After that, I'm gonna take the sauce. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the sauce because we already had that little mix. And then I'm just gonna drizzle that thing all on top of that, just like that. Look at that. This is barbecue spaghetti, y'all. Everybody down south know about barbecue spaghetti, especially down here in Tennessee. If you ain't from Tennessee, you might not know about it. But guess what? You know about it now, because Word Brothers done it for y'all on T, or Word Brother, because the other Word Brother ain't did nothing today but sat around. Barbecue spaghetti, that's right. Pulled pork. You got your sauce that's been simmering for a while. You got your mushrooms. You got your pulled pork. It's in there. This ain't ragu, but it's in there. All right, I promise. That recipe will be down below. Now, we appreciate y'all, all of y'all, for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends, family members, co-workers. All right, I know I said we was gone, but don't worry about it. I forgot. We got to taste it because I got my homeboy Pitmaster Peanut here with me. So we're going to taste this here. Get a good little scoop in there for him. There you go, brother. And I'm going to get a good little scoop right here for me. All right. And then we're going to taste it. All right. Barbecue spaghetti with the Word Brothers. I'm going to let Pitmaster Peanut hit it and tell me what he think.
That's going home with me.
now, I love you, brother, but you can't take the whole thing.
We're gonna have to arm wrestle tonight.
Hey, tell you right now, it's good.
Oh my.
Mm-hmm. Now we can go. I'll see you back in a little bit on the next episode of BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. We love y'all. Peace.